Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I'm Vikas.
I am Swati.
I'm Aryan.
I'm N.A.
We are from South End Bhakti Vriksha. So today we are going to talk about how Krishna consciousness has changed our life as a family. So our journey with Krishna consciousness started early this year. My journey began when I met our mentor Pramida Mataji in one of the devotees' house, and that day it was a Gita Jayanti last year. Mataji was talking about the importance of Gita, Bhagavad Gita, what exactly Bhagavad Gita meant for. One point which really touched my heart was when Mataji said that Bhagavad Gita is a manual of our life, and she had given a very nice example that God Himself has given this manual to all of us. For example, if we are going to buy any machine like a washing machine, and when we come back home and we open the manual, we know that how this machine will work. In case if there is any problem, this manual is going to help us how to fix that machine. So same way, she mentioned that Bhagavad Gita is just like that manual which help us and guide us how to lead our life. By Krishna's mercy, Bhakti Vriksha started in my house, and Pramida ji, Mataji helped us a lot. She used to come twice in a month, and we really enjoyed association with devotees. Mataji told us the importance of bhakti, what important parts in bhakti is. What first is association, then book reading and chanting and devotional services. We also came to know more about chanting, and we got really as a family attracted in chanting, and which we have started recently, which Vikas is going to talk about.
Since we attached with Bhakti Vriksha, it has brought a lot of positive changes in our family life. Our early morning routine starts with getting up early morning, including our kids. We do Hare Krishna chanting, and it seems like a meditation. It all has brought a positive changes in our family life, and our day start with the Krishna blessing.
The biggest benefit of chanting I felt was that it has given me calm and stability in life, especially during this pandemic time. Being a doctor and having two small kids was not easy. The chanting of Mahamantra has really given me the inner strength and positivity, and I always feel that after doing chanting, Krishna's blessing is with me, and all my day is running very smoothly. Since lockdown started, we never felt that we are in lockdown and we are alone. We had so many programs and festivals going on online, and we as a family really enjoyed it. The first started with the Narasimha Jayanti, where we all participated. Myself, my kids, we participated in shloka and painting competition, and we have learned many shlokas. Then only I realized that my kids, they really like reciting slokas, and they are learning it quickly. So it's all Krishna's mercy that we came to this platform, and we have started learning more about our religion, and we feel that we are deeply rooted to our culture. Then again we had a Jagannath festival where we made a Rath, and this will be one of the memorable event in our life. As a family, we enjoyed making Rath, and we felt that we are very close to Krishna when we were doing this. I realized that the more devotional services which I have started doing with my family, my love for Krishna has increased, and I feel that I really want to do more and more, and then only I can get more connected with Him. Recently had Janmashtami festival, and this was a big celebration in South End. We did online program as well. We all had a nice kirtan together. We celebrated Dahi Handi festival, and it felt like Krishna was always with us when we were celebrating this. Being in association with devotees, we feel that we have not made a Krishna conscious group, but we have made a Krishna conscious family. We really care for each other. We all went through a difficult time during this period, and I felt as a family that we were really supported from all of the Bhakti Vriksha members. Pramila Mataji has really supported us, and with God mercy, with Krishna's mercy and devotees association, we have came out from this difficult time, and I will be really grateful to all of the Krishna conscious family for that. There are endless benefits of Krishna consciousness. At the end, my realization is that by attending Bhakti Vriksha classes, I have realized about the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that's Krishna, and also I have realized that our aim of the life should be Bhajo Krishna, Bolo Krishna, and Socho Krishna. So this is the way I will be taking the Krishna consciousness in my life.
Hare Krishna. I'm Aryan Vatsa from South End Bhakti Vriksha. Our mentor is Vijay Prabhu. Over the past few months, I have been attending weekly youth classes. During these weekly youth classes, I've been learning about pastimes of Krishna, the reasons behind all these festivals, as well as reading Srila Prabhupada's book. Every week we have weekly discussions on our spiritual knowledge. We also learn new shlokas. During this lockdown, there has been one summer camp happening. I have been attending this summer camp. During this summer camp, we have been learning about the soul, existence of God, and karma.
I am Anay Vatsa. I like attending classes, and I like learning shlokas, and I have learned on pastimes. And my teacher Shravani Mataji. Shravani Mataji teaches me lots of good shlokas.
To conclude our video, we would like to recite one shloka from the Bhagavad Gita.
Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskaru mamai vaishyashi yuktvevam atmanam matparayanaha.
Translation: engage your mind into me, in thinking of me, offer obeisances to me, sure you come back to me.
Hare Krishna.